Welcome back to another episode of working on this pain in the ass Benz. Yes, I said it. Don't worry, you'll be getting some more BMW content soon. I need some sanity, so I gotta get away from this Benz and get back on some BMW content. But by the end of this video, I hope, if I have all the parts, I hope I'll be able to put this thing on the ground and then start it. But I won't know until the end of the video, so I'm gonna reassemble everything, put the subframe in, all the bent parts or whatever. I'm gonna replace everything because as far as I know, everything came in. So I'm gonna be doing that and hoping by the end of this, it's on the ground and getting ready to start. But I won't know until I get there. So stick around and follow me through my headache. The subframe came in. I think most of the parts came in. I'm gonna have to go through the boxing and do some unboxing to see what came in. But that subframe is, I don't know how much kilometers was on this car, but that subframe is really dirty compared to the other one. The other one just has dust and dirt. This thing has a lot of grime on it. So I'm gonna have to wash it off, and then I'm gonna unbox all this stuff to see what I have, because I wanna put this subframe back in as quick as possible. I wanna get this car back on all fours so I can roll it in and out of the garage, or start it and drive it in and out of the garage, so I can start working on a project. It's kind of chilly today, so I'm gonna see how much I can do today. I've been getting a lot of, it's good, welcome back, we're glad to see you back. But if you guys wanna see more of me, you gotta like, share, subscribe, comment, all that great stuff to keep me going, It helps, and it just make the channel grow a lot faster. And if it can grow a lot faster, I can give you more content and keep going. Because every time I take a break, I get all these DMs and stuff. Did you quit? Are you okay? I'm okay. I just took a break, but also to keep these videos up, you guys gotta like, share, and subscribe, comment, all that great stuff. Now, let's jump into this unboxing. When I say this thing was dirty, I mean this thing was dirty. I don't know why the hell this thing is so disgusting, but look how clean it is there. Now look over there. So I have to clean all of this off first before I put it on the car. The subframe is cleaned up and all the parts are in, so I'm just gonna start putting stuff together right now and see how it turns out. But it took a while to brush all that stuff off. But like you see, most of it didn't come off because it's that stuff they use to stop all the rust here in Canada. So I left some of that on there, but at least there's no dirty grease on there. But now I'm just gonna throw everything on the car and see how it goes. I have my trusty Maguire's degreaser. I've been using this stuff for years, and it cuts through, depends how strong you make it, it cuts through grease and grime like crazy. I love this stuff, but man, you can choke on this stuff. So be aware. It's hard to get this stuff now. I don't know why it's so hard to get this stuff, but it's very hard. But here I am just spraying it down, and then just using my wire wheel and my drill to clean off a lot of the grime. Yeah, the degreaser is good, but you also need to use this stuff, or it's not gonna, as good as it is, it's not going to work. So I'm using my wire wheel and just cleaning up, because this stuff is caked on there. Plus, it also has that undercoating that we use here in Canada for the winter. But here I am now, just power washing the rest of the stuff off. After this, it should be good. All the yellow stuff is not going to come off because I didn't try to scrub it off. But that stuff is real sticky. It sticks on there. It helps to protect from all the rust and salt here in Canada. But that's it. All right, after this up. All right, after the subframe is cleaned up, all that yellow stuff you see on there, that's the undercoating that they put on here in Canada, because hey, we got some nasty ass weather here, so people don't want their shit to rust, so they undercoat everything. But this is what we got. We got the subframe, the knee airbag, curtain airbag, under tray, left fender, radiator support, and also front bash bar. This is what we got. I think this is like 98% of the parts that we need. Might need one or two other pieces, but that's it for now. So I'm gonna take these engine mounts off and put the other one on, because I think the other one had less kilometers on it. So I'm gonna put those on there. I'm gonna keep these just in case, but I'm just gonna switch out whatever needs to be switched out from here, and then I'm gonna put it back in and rest the engine on it.
So I come in at the place with this contract and got the pre-construction place also, right? So like just Snapchat, then I come back right?
See the money are rich people, you know. The money, see what kind of car the money work on. Mercedes, Benz, BMW.
What kind of car do you drive?
We drive a little 2003 Honda Civic. Can't afford the Accord.
So I did get all three parts for the suspension for the left side of the car. I'm just gonna change the part, excuse me sweetie, I'm just gonna change the part on the steering column. Once I change that piece, then I can start putting the left side of the car back together. This is why I didn't get to finish my video last week, because I didn't realize this thing was bent like that. Just look at the difference. And this is why I couldn't put the suspension together and put the car on the ground. But now that it's here, I can finally put it together. I'm just gonna slap it together quickly, put it on the ground, put the wheel on, because I want to really get this thing started. But yeah, man, look at this thing. Car is finally done. I got one wheel on. Well, not done, but all the framework is done. I bought another wheel. Actually, I bought two wheels. This one is for an Audi, but these damn studs are too long, so I can't put the car on the ground. But everything is completely done and put together and tightened and torqued and you name it. It's all done. All done, except the one bar that goes there. I'm still waiting on that one. But yeah, this is from my Audi wheel because I cannot find a Benz wheel anywhere. So I can't put it on the ground, but it's ready to go on the ground and everything is completely put together. Now it's just little knickknacks here and there. Body kit, and then now I'm just gonna try and get it started. I don't know, I'm gonna have to get some shorter studs. I have BMW studs here, but they won't fit. I can't put it on the ground, but framework is done. And now, time to try and start it. As you can see, I didn't get the car on the ground, and that really bums me out, man, because this thing's nothing but a pain. I'm not complaining, it's just, you know, when you have so much stuff to do, and this is why I don't like to plan shit. You plan it out, and nothing goes according to plan. So I have to go in and find wheel spacers for this car right now so I can get it on the ground. Because like I said, we're gonna be putting new wheels on it. It's hard to find a Benz wheel, a 19-inch Benz wheel here, man. I've been trying everywhere. And when you do find, everyone's selling a set. I just need one so I can roll the car around. I can't get any of those steel rims. It's just hard to find a 19-inch with this offset and a bolt pattern. Got plenty of BMW wheels, but the bolt pattern ain't gonna work. So my next step now is to go and find some spacers today and also put it on the ground, and I want to get it started so I can drive it out and drive my outer project in, which is right there. Yes, so I want to get started on that as soon as possible. And I also need the garage to finish the M3 because I have to get it back up on the ice to do a few things, all that stuff. So I need to get this garage up and running. So that's gonna be it for this video. So I'm gonna try my best to get this thing started. I'm gonna see if my scanner will work, and if it won't, I'm gonna have to go borrow a bigger and better one. What the? I'm gonna have to go borrow a bigger and better one, and hoping I get this car, because this is all software. There's no blown module anywhere. This is, I think there's a crash report in there you have to clear, and once you do that, I'm hoping it will start. So I'm gonna get, like, this is what I'm gonna do for the rest of the few days, because I have to get my other project started. But enough rambling. As you can see, it didn't go on the ground, but I'm gonna get it on the ground one way or the other between the next couple of days. Get it started within the next couple of days, I hope. And jump on another project, because I know you guys miss the BMW content. Even though, you know, you guys got a bright new horizon. I can't just work on BMWs alone, right? So I'm gonna get that all sorted out. And share, subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what you think. You know, the likes, the share, the comment, they all help the channel to grow. But that's it for now. Laters.